Okay, take 2. And then here's our toilet, also huge. Scale and everything, stickers on the toilet paper rolls, and then a huge bathtub. Oh my gosh, this is insane. And then you have everything you could ever want. Toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, soaps, hair dryer. Okay, so now for the best part. Our 2 beds. That looked a lot nicer before I jumped on the bed. And our huge room, a flat screen TV.
A sofa and a chair.
Oh my gosh,
and
I've never
catalogue.
never stayed in a hotel room like this. They asked us if it was okay if we were on the lower floor. We're on like the 5th floor. Our view is not that great, but I don't really care. We're in the Ritz-Carlton.
There's no good view in Kuala Lumpur anyway.
That's true. True story. All right. Thanks, Mom and Dad, for making this all possible.
Thank you
We
so
love it.
much.
It's
Thank
amazing.
you.
We had the biggest smile when we first walked in. Everybody's been treating us really, really nice. It's a huge change from everything else we've had in Kuala Lumpur. Nobody stares at us like we're zoo animals. We have what?
Peanuts and cashews.
All right, we gotta go eat some peanuts and cashews now. All right, see you later, everyone. Thanks again, Mom and Dad.
Thank you so much.
Bye.